All of the coins in Mr. Mateo's coin collection are either gold or silver. The ratio of the number of gold coins to the number of silver coins in his gold collection is 3 to 2. What percent of Mr. Mateo's collection is silver coins? Well, let's do this. Let's write out 3 to 2. Okay? Now, 3 to 2 means the 3 is gold because it says gold to silver. So 3 gold to 2 silver. Now, what percent of Mr. Mateo's collection is silver coins? Well, if the ratio is 3 to 2, that means we have a total of 5, right? 5. So, because 3 gold plus 2 silver is 5 totals. We want the silver, that's going to be 2 to 5. Now remember, percent is out of 100. This is out of 5. So how can I turn 5 into 100? Multiply it by 20. And if I multiply the denominator by 20, I have to multiply the numerator by 20 as well. So this fraction becomes 2 times 20, which is 40, 5 times 20, which is 100, and the percent, 40 out of 100, is the same as 40%. So what percent is silver coins? C, 40%.